Did you know a man can lie perfectly still for hours while others decide who lives and who dies around him? He was a warrior. The battle had gone wrong fast. When the killing reached him, he dropped. He slowed his breathing until it was almost nothing. He did not move, not once. He heard voices. He heard decisions. He heard the sounds of men choosing, and he chose nothing. He simply waited. He survived. But years later, quiet evenings would pull him back to that ground. Not the fear, not the blood. Something quieter than both of those. A question. He had always believed courage meant action. Standing, fighting, being seen choosing something hard. But on that field, the hardest thing he ever did was disappear. And no one saw it. No one gave him anything for it. So the question stayed, was that discipline? Or was it simply a man protecting himself when no one was watching? The Stoics believed the hardest honesty is the kind you owe yourself alone. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.